Hey folks, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. This is a short presentation demonstrating the difference between an ordinary bird and a fast flyer. We took this video today, March 10th, 2024 in San Dimas, California, which is roughly 30 miles east of downtown Los Angeles. The bird and the fast flyer are roughly 5 seconds apart in the same video, and we'll play the whole thing through, which is short, and then take each subject in turn and slow it down so you can see it for yourself. Here it is with audio. One last time without audio. There's the bird, obviously. And just to point this out, now there's the fast flyer. Now here's the bird slowed, and it just looks like a bird slowed down. And it's in every frame of the 60 frame per second video. Now here's the fast flyer in real time, and now the fast flyer slowed, and it is hopping through this video. So yeah, I mean, you can watch these two again, and I'll tell you, if you think that this fast flyer is something prosaic or advanced tech, then we have an all-domain anomaly resolution office report to sell you. Thanks for joining us. See you next time, folks.